Let's all welcome the 5-year-old pink squirrel from Japan, Lala-chan! Say hi, Lala-chan, to our kids! Hi, everybody! Welcome to the little guest. Say hi, Lala-chan! Hi, Lala! Ayun, Lala-chan, mga kadobulat. Say hi, Lala! Come on, everybody! Let's join Lala-chan here! Ayan, sundan natin si Lala-chan. Maglalaro tayong lahat. At kayo ang kanyang kalaro ngayong hapon. Say hi, Lala-chan! Ayun o, nasa narikiri. Hi, everybody! Let's say hi, Lala-chan! Hi, Lala-chan! Sinusundan naman natin dito si Lala-chan. Maglalaro tayong lahat kasama si Lala. Say hi, Lala, sa ating mga kids. Hi, kids! Sabi ni Lala-chan. Say hi, Lala! Okay, dito naman tayo Lala-chan's Toy Corner. Hello, everybody! Welcome to Kids Zone Legazpi. Ayan, say hi, Lala-chan. Hi, Lala! Ayan, lahat po kayo ay pwedeng sumali sa ating game for today kasama si Lala-chan. At dito naman po sa Toy Baby Corner, Lala, meron dito, ayun, nandun si Kuya. Say hi to our kids. Hi, everybody! Ayan, sundan naman natin si Lala-chan dito sa ating event area. Okay, kaya tayo, Lala. Okay, let's proceed at the event area. Okay, kids, dapat lahat nandito na tayo sa unahan. In 10, 9, 8, doon tayo sa unahan ni Lala-chan. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, hands up. Taas ang kamay, shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands, everybody. Shake your hands. Shake, 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 shake. Ayan, lahat po ng kids ay pwede po magsali dito. Okay, wala naman po itong bayad. At wala tayong age limit. Alright, before we start, I am requesting all the guardians sa labas muna tayo ng ating event area so we can maximize the space. Ayan, kuya, sali ka na doon, o. Punta ka doon, o. Huwag ka mo sumali. Sige na, sige na. Okay, lahat ng gusto, pwede po kayo mababal dito. Alright, kids, when I say hi, you will say, hello, hi! Lakasan po natin, hi! Ayan, Lala-chan, say hi, Lala-chan. Hi, Lala! Okay, maglalaro tayo kasama si Lala-chan. Pero bago yan, magpapakilala muna kami. We are the event team of Kids Zone Legazpi. My name is Kuya Ron together with Ate Bal, Ate Da, where is Ate Da? Ate Da, and of course, our very own, the very jolly, the very bubbly, 5 years old pink squirrel from Japan, Lala-chan! Say hi, Lala-chan! Hi, Lala! Ayan, Lala-chan, maglalaro na tayong lahat, kids. Are you ready to play? Ay, yes, Lala, bakit no? Bakit hindi pa, Lala? Ay, oo nga pala, sorry, Lala-chan. Nakalimutan ko yung favorite ko palang gawin dito. Ang sabi ni Lala-chan, bago tayo mag-play, magkakaroon muna tayo ng warm-up dance. Okay, sino magaling mag-dance dito? Taas ang kamay. Okay, lahat. Anong unang step, Lala-chan? Roll your hands and clap. Alright? Roll and clap and roll and clap. Next, Lala, is? Alright, iikot daw tayo. Iikot. Left and right. Okay, kids, naintindihan po ba si Lala-chan? Naintindihan po ba si Lala-chan? Okay, get ready. Everybody to dance. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Roll and clap. Alright. 2, 1, and clap. Roll. Clap. Okay, one more and roll and clap. Okay, let's turn around in 3, 2, 1. Turn around. Okay, and whip. Alright, alagaling naman palakpakan naman natin si Lala-chan at ang ating mga kids. Ang gagaling naman sumayaw. Now, please sit down. Let's sit down, Lala-chan. Our game for today, Lala, is Tag of War. Lala, maglalaro tayo ng Tag of War. Lala-chan, sasali ka ba, Lala? Yes, kasali si Lala-chan. Anong team na Lala-chan? Ay, mamaya malalaman natin kung anong team si Lala-chan. Okay? Okay, here, meron tayo ditong rope. Alright? Meron tayong rope. marker. This is the marker. Color pink ang marker natin. No? Anong color ng marker? Anong color ng marker? This is color pink. Very good. So, ang gagawin natin, magka-count ako ng 3, 2, 1 at sasabihin ko, pull. Saka natin ipupull ng malakas na malakas ang ating rope. Kapag pag napunta sa inyo ang ating marker, meron kayo 1 point. Ilang point daw po? Ilang point daw po? 1 point. Very good. You got 1 point. Siyempre, kailangan natin maka 2 points kasi meron tayo 3 rounds. Kung sino ang unang maka 2 points, siya ang panalo. Alright, naintindihan po ba? Naintindihan po ba? Okay, sige na Lala-chan. Okay, mag-play na daw tayo. Pero bago yan, for our safety reminders, no pushing. Alright, no pushing. Next is no jumping. Wala pong tatalon. And next, Lala, is hold the rope firmly. Hawakan ng mabuti at hilain ng malakas na malakas. Okay, naintindihan po ba si Lala? And then, syempre, lastly, sabi ni Lala-chan, manalo matalo, lahat tayo ay panalo dito sa Kids Zone na. Hey, Lala-chan, lahat pala ay panalo, so lahat may prize. Okay, are you ready, kids? Now, please stand up and group yourself into 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ayan, Lala-chan. Sabi ni Lala-chan, hiwa-hiwalay daw tayong lahat. Okay? 3. Okay. Ilang 3 po ang nabuo natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, let's make group yourself into 6. 6, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now please make one line, each group for Team A and Team B. Okay, arms forward in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, Lala-chan, dito tayo sa Team A. Team A, isigaw natin. Go, Team A! Go, Team A! Okay, sabay-sabay in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, medyo malakas. Dito naman sa Team B natin, syempre, Team B ang masisigaw natin ay Go, Team B! Go, Team B! Okay, sabay-sabay in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, malakas. Team A, parinig na ulit. Go, Team A! Go, Team A! Team B naman. Parinig naman, Team B! Ay, nawala ang Team B. Isa pa, Team B? Go, Team B! Go, Team B! Okay, arms forward. Arms forward. And let's follow Lala-chan doon sa ating event area sa ball pool. Ayan, doon po tayo lahat maglalaro. Isigaw natin. Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, Team A! Alright, please, a little bit the line. Team A, you line the right side, and left side naman for Team B. Alright, Team A, right side, and left side naman po sa ating Team B. Po tayo, Team B, left side, and right side for Team A. Alright, now arms forward. Arms forward, everybody. Arms forward. Please raise the rope and hands up. Taas ang kamay. Akin lang, pataas ang kamay. Pataas ang kamay, akin lang. Bitawan mo na natin ang rope. Ayan ang marker natin at dito may narasahan. Okay? Hands up, everybody. Please release the rope. Release the rope and hands up. Bitawan natin yung rope, bitawan. Okay? Hands up, taas ang kamay, shake ang hands. I-shake ang hands, i-shake ang hands. I-shake ang hands, bitawan mo na, bro, bitawan. I-hands up, hands up, hands up, bitawan mo na natin. Please release the rope, release the rope, release the rope. Okay, please move forward. PB and PJ. Hands up and shake, shake, shake. Kung nakikinig, hands up and shake, shake, shake. I-shake ang hands. Very good. Alright. Nasa naman ang mga guardians ng Team A. Taas naman yung kamay. Ayan lang doon. May mga guardians ng Team A. Dati bigyan natin ang pang-cheer. Ating mayroon. Ang Team B naman, sa mga guardians ng Team B. Meron ninyo. Team B, bigyan naman natin sila ng pang-cheer. Kailangan natin yan para sa ating mga kids. May iba pa mga Team B dito. Sa guardians. Wala na. Ito bigyan natin si Cam. Ito si Cam. Okay, i-cheer po natin ang ating mga kids dito sa ating game. So, kids, Team A. Hands up. Hands up, everybody. Hands up. Let's shake our hands. Team A. Are you ready, Lalachan? Ready na si Lalachan? Team A. Are you ready? I can hear you. Team A. Are you ready? Yes, ready na Lalachan. Hawakan mo na Lalachan ang marker natin. Team B. Are you ready? Alright, Guardians. Are you ready, Guardians? Let's start round 1. In 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! 1, go! Ayan! 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Alright! Ayan na na dyan. Hands up, everybody. Hands up. And shake, shake, shake. Very good. Let it dyan. Ang nanalo sa round like team. Team B. You are very good. Very good. At sabi ko nga kanina dapat meron tayo 2 points. So makakaroon tayo ng second round. Alright? Please, release the rope. Arms forward. Okay, Lalachan, hawakan mo Lalachan ang marker natin. Okay? Hands up, everybody, hands up. Hands up. Hands up, everyone. Okay. Team A. Ayan, nakasalangan Team A. Siguro mahina yung pag-cheer ng mga guardians natin. Ano? Para mahina talaga. Para hindi ko manalilig yung pag-cheer ng Team A. Okay, Team A. Are you ready? Ready na sila Lalachan? Team B, are you ready? Are you ready na? The question is, guardians, are you ready? Let's start round 2. In 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 1, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Okay, Lalachan, ang nanalo sa ating round ay Team A! You got 1 point. Very good. Lalachan, ready na naman Lalachan para sa last round natin. Okay? Kids, release the rope. Pakawas na natin kay Lalachan. Okay, gawin na natin Team B and Team A. In this round, malalaman na natin kung sino ang panalo sa game natin sa Tug of War. Ayan, lapit mo kayo ng mga Team B. Lapit ng mga Team A. Okay, parinig naman ang pag-share ng mga guardians sa Team A. Ayun, nasa naman ang pag-share ng Team B. Ayun, wala. Nag-share sa Team B. Nasaan ang mga guardians ng Team B natin? Team B! Ay, wala talaga. Isa lang talaga. Nasaan ang mga gorgeous na Team B natin? Ayan. Ayan, meron pala doon. Nakasalan natin pag-cheer. In this round, Team A. Are you ready? Ay, Lala, parang hindi pa ready, Lala. I can see you, kids. Are you ready? Ayan, Team B. Are you ready? Alright, and let's start. Gorgeous, are you ready, Gorgeous? Ay, parang hindi na naman ready ang mga Gorgeous natin. Gorgeous, are you ready? Let's start in 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! 12, 15, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 15, 14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Ayan ba, sakit ba? Shake your hands, shake your hands. Okay? Lalantaran lang nanalo. Sa game natin, nasa the floor ay Team A! Ayan, talagang mas kasi mag-cheer ng mga Gorgeous natin kaya nanalo. Ang magaling naman. Pinagkakilala siya sa BB natin. Okay, Team B. Hands up, BB. Hands up. Ayan, magkakilala siya. Hands up, Team B. Hands up na. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, let's give Team A 5 claps. Okay? 5 claps and let's say, very good after the clap natin. Are you ready to clap? Okay, let's clap with 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Alright, ito naman pakilala natin sa kabila. Okay, Team A, the winning team. Magagaling naman ang Team A natin. Alright, Team A, let's give 3 claps for Team B and sabihin natin, good job. Alright, are you ready to clap? Yes. Alright, let's clap in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Alright, Lalatsan, balik na tayo sa ating event area. May surprise sa inyong lahat, si Lalatsan. Ano kaya yung Lalatsan? Malalaman natin kids sa ating event area. Alright? Aantayin namin kayo dito ang Team B dito sa ating event area. Okay, nasa ng Team A? Taas ang kamay Team A. Ayun, nagagaling nyo naman. Ang lalakas na lala. Ang lalakas naman ang ating mga kids. Nasa ng Team B? Taas ang kamay Team B. Ayan, wala pa bang Team B natin? Ayun, nandyan pa lang yung Team B natin. Okay, hands up, touch your head, shoulder, shoulder, where shoulder? Head, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, knees, head, knees, head, knees, shoulder, hands up everybody, get ready for our final dance. This is the Love is a Treasure, the favorite dance ni Lalatsan. Alright, so our first step is slowly up your hands and slowly down. Get ready, everybody, to jump. In 3, 2, 1, let's jump. And march, march, march. Okay, down. Down and march, march, march. Up. Okay, very good. Okay, now, side to side. Get ready to shake your hands. In 3, 2, 1. Wave to the other side. Let's touch your shoulder, touch your head. Let's jump and jump. Now wave, 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 circle. Make a fish. Let's march, march, march. Okay, let's jump and jump. Let's wave, wave, wave. Mushy. Other side. Now let's go. Kabila naman. Very good. Bend your knees. Touch your arms. And turn around. Now let's jump and jump, jump, jump. Very good. Clap, down. One more. Get ready to jump. In 3, 2, 1, jump! Ayan, nagagaling naman. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga kids. Okay, now please sit down. Sit down. Ayan ang surprise sa inyo ni Lala Chan. Okay, let's open the box. Pero, Lala Chan, ano ang gagawin? Sit down muna, sit down muna. Ano ang gagawin natin, Lala Chan, para ma-open ang box? Ayan, nakita po natin si Lala Chan. Ang sabi ni Lala Chan, close your eyes. And let's count. 3, 2, 1. At sasabihin natin, surprise! Okay, Lala Chan, ready ka na ba, Lala? Ayan, close na ang eyes, close ang eyes. Sabay-sabay tayo mag-count. Now, 3, 2, 1. Surprise! At Lala Chan, ang unang kapalala Chan kumuha sa ating mga kids. Akala ko, Lala, sa kanila yan. Ay, sige, sige, Lala. Okay, pag nakakuha na tayo, ipupo kayo katabi ni Lala Chan. Magkakaroon tayo ng group picture taking. Alright? Okay, sit down na kasang katabi ni Lala Chan. Okay, raise your balloons, raise your balloons. Taas natin yung balloons natin. Raise your balloons, everyone. Raise your balloons. I-wave natin, i-wave, wave, wave. Wave, wave. Gusto ko makita yung wave. Okay, please sit down, mga kuya. Gusto ko ganyan yung wave, oh. Ganyan yung wave. Okay, kids. When I say Kidzuna, everybody will shout, hooray! Alright, ano yung shout natin? Ano po yung shout? Hooray! Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Ayun, lakasan pa natin. Gusto ko yung malakas na malakas. Alright? Mga parents and guardians, sa gitna po tayo para mas magandang buhay natin sa ating group picture taking. Kids, sabay-sabay tayo. In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Gusto ko malakas na malakas pa. In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! And smile po sa mga camera nila, Mami and Daddy. Okay, Lala Chan, ano nangyari, Lala Chan, sa ano mo? Nasira yung surprise mo, Lala? Ay, ayusin natin yan mamaya, Lala Chan. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila, Lala? Ayan, sabi ni Lala Chan, thank you so much daw, kids. Ayan, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yes, sinong gustong mag-birthday kasama si Lala Chan? Taas ang kamay. Ayan, lahat naman siguro. That is why we are inviting all of you parents and guardians na magpabook na po dito sa amin sa Kidzuna. For more information, please do not hesitate to ask our friendly staff. Ayan, Lala Chan. Let's say bye to our kids kasi may party pa si Lala Chan na pupuntahan. So now, let's say bye, Lala Chan. Bye, Lala. Alright, see you again tomorrow at 3:15 in the afternoon for another sports activity together with Lala Chan. Bye, everyone! Ayan, yung mga gusto po magpa-picture sa trampoline area na lang po tayo.